Welcome. If you've been told you can't buy a home in Kentucky because you don't have a credit score, think again. I'm Lobb with EVO Mortgage, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how FHA, VA, USDA, and conventional loans work for borrowers with no credit score. So remember, having no credit score doesn't mean you can't buy a home. FHA, VA, USDA, and even some conventional programs will work with manual underwriting and alternative credit. The key is documenting your payment history. FHA loans, 3.5% down with manual underwriting and flexible credit. Conventional loans, available with a co-borrower and automated approval for best rates. Here are the four main no-score loan options in Kentucky. VA loans, $0 down, up to 50% debt to income for eligible veterans. USDA loans, $0 down, for rural areas with income limits. FHA loans, 3.5% down with manual underwriting and flexible credit. Conventional loans, available with a co-borrower and automated approval for best rates. Regardless of the loan type, here's what you'll need to show when you don't have a score. 12 months of rent payments, 2 to 3 utility bills, phone or internet bills. Insurance payments, employment history. This proves to lenders that you manage money responsibly, even if you don't use credit cards or loans. For USDA loans, most of Kentucky qualifies. 97% of the state is USDA eligible. With no score, we run your loan through GUS, the guaranteed underwriting system, or do a manual review. The typical debt ratio is 29/41. For credit, you'll need 12 months of on-time rent and at least one other trade line, like utilities or insurance. Down payment is 0 in eligible rural areas. For veterans, VA loans are one of the strongest programs. Manual underwriting is allowed for no-score buyers. Debt-to-income ratios can go up to 50%, but VA also uses a residual income test to make sure you can afford your bills after the mortgage. The best part, $0 down, no PMI, and no loan limits with full entitlement. You'll still need at least 3 non-traditional credit accounts, like rent and utilities. FHA is one of the most flexible options for no-score buyers in Kentucky. Manual underwriting is required, meaning an underwriter reviews your case by hand. Debt-to-income caps are 31/43, but can stretch up to 40/50 with compensating factors like strong rental history or cash reserves. You'll need at least 3 non-traditional credit accounts, such as rent, utilities, or insurance, showing 12 months of on-time payments. For many Kentucky families, USDA is the best no-score option. Rural housing loans allow $0 down and cover most of Kentucky, including suburbs around Louisville, Lexington, Bowling Green, Owensboro, and Paducah, plus nearly all of eastern and western Kentucky. You can check your property's eligibility directly on the USDA website. For Kentucky veterans, VA loans are unbeatable. No down payment, no mortgage insurance, flexible credit, and reusable benefits. Even if you have no credit score, VA can get you approved as long as you meet income and residual standards. FHA is one of the most flexible options for no-score buyers in Kentucky. Manual underwriting is required, meaning an underwriter reviews your case by hand. Debt-to-income caps are 31/43, but can stretch up to 40/50 with compensating factors like strong rental history or cash reserves. You'll need at least 3 non-traditional credit accounts, such as rent, utilities, or insurance, showing 12 months of on-time payments. If you're in Kentucky and don't have a credit score, I can help you get approved. I'm Lobb with EVO Mortgage, NMLS number 57,916, company NMLS number 1,738,461. Click the link below to apply, call me directly, or email me. Don't let no credit score hold you back from homeownership.